Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a site on Salesforce. Whether you're creating a help center for your customers or building a custom portal for your team, this process will get your site up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can access all the powerful tools Salesforce offers for customizing your workspace. Now that you're in the Setup menu, you'll see a quick find search box on the left side of the screen. In that search box, type in Digital Experiences. This will filter the options and help you quickly locate the tools you need to build and manage your sites. Once the results appear, click on All Sites. This section gives you an overview of every site you've created or have access to within your Salesforce environment. Next, you'll want to create a new site, so go ahead and click the New button. This launches the Site Creation Wizard, which will guide you through the entire setup process step by step. The wizard is designed to make site creation straightforward, even if you're doing this for the first time. You'll now be presented with a selection of templates. Salesforce offers various pre-built templates depending on your needs. For example, if you're setting up a help center, select the help center template. If you want more flexibility and prefer to build a custom site from scratch, choose Build Your Own LWR. Once you've made your selection, click Get Started to proceed. The next screen will ask you to enter some basic details about your site. In the site name field, type in a name that clearly identifies the purpose of your site. Something like My Help Center works well. Below that, you'll see a field for the site URL. This is the web address where your site will be accessible, so choose something professional and easy to remember. After filling in these details, click Create to move forward. Once the site is created, you'll be taken back to the All Sites page. Here, you'll see your newly created site listed. To start customizing it, locate your site in the list and click on Builder, which may also be labeled as Experience Builder, depending on your Salesforce version. This opens the visual editor where you can design and configure every aspect of your site, from layout to branding. After you've made all your customizations and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make your site live. In the Builder interface, look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right corner. Click Publish to activate your site and make it accessible to your users. And that's it. You've successfully set up a site on Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.